Some Genesis models are equipped with a state-of-the-art 8-speed transmission. It allows for smooth, quick shifts and provides outstanding acceleration at any speed. The transmission is a shift-by-wire transmission and features paddle shifters. Let's explore how all of these features work. When you first start your vehicle, it will be in park. To shift into reverse or drive, first depress the brake pedal, then press the unlock button on the side of the shift lever. While holding the unlock button, press the lever forward to engage reverse, or pull back to engage drive. The indicator will illuminate to confirm your selection. To shift into in or neutral from either drive or reverse, first come to a complete stop. Then, if in reverse, pull the shifter back once. If in drive, push the shifter forward once. The in indicator will light up, letting you know that you are in neutral. Note that you can shift into neutral without pressing the unlock button. Therefore, Genesis recommends not driving with your hand on the shift lever to reduce the chance of inadvertently shifting the vehicle into neutral. Remember that if the vehicle is in neutral, the wheels and transmission are not engaged. Therefore, the vehicle can roll of its own accord if the brake or parking brake is not applied. To shift into park, first come to a complete stop, then press the P button at the front of the shift lever. The P indicator will light up, letting you know that you are in park. It is recommended that you always engage the parking brake when you park the vehicle. If you turn off the engine while in drive or reverse, the shifter will automatically engage park. If you turn off the engine while in neutral, the transmission will remain in neutral, while the engine start-stop button will remain in the accessory position. To turn the vehicle completely off, you must press the engine start-stop button to the on position, then press the P button to engage park. You can then press the engine start-stop button and it will go off. If the driver's door is opened while the vehicle is in drive or reverse, it will remain in gear as long as the driver's seatbelt is engaged. If the driver's seatbelt is not engaged and the driver's door is opened while in drive or reverse, the vehicle will automatically engage park. While the drive mode in your Genesis is fine for everyday driving, there are times you may want to do the shifting yourself. That's why it has a manual mode along with paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel that allow you to shift yourself. The paddle shifter on the left has a minus symbol on it. Each time you pull the left paddle, it will downshift a gear if possible. The paddle shifter on the right has a plus symbol on it. Each time you pull the right paddle, it will upshift a gear if possible. To engage manual mode, pull either lever to upshift or downshift a gear. Manual mode will now be activated, and you can shift up and down manually. To change back to automatic mode, you can do any of the following. Pull and hold the right side paddle shifter, move the shift lever to the D position, gently depress the accelerator for more than 5 seconds, or drive the vehicle under 4 miles per hour. The transmission in your Genesis offers the perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and comfort. And with the ability to customize, it can be optimized just for you. Be sure to read the owner's manual for more information on even more features found in your Genesis.